So if we look at Apple to get it, you're talking about support and resistance, right? But right here. So what I'm doing is, let me start drawing these out and I'll talk about it while I'm doing it. I'm looking for candle wicks. That's the bottom of the candles that are long, right? So every time we see a wick touch somewhere, right? You see this one, and this one. Every time we see those, that creates new support and resistance lines. And then what we do is the more it touches those areas, the more times that a candle is touching it, it gives it more weight to people mentally on being a higher support or resistance line. Then I always go back at least the previous day to see if there's anything else in range I should be noting. I always look at pre-market high or just the high of day overall. So that's going to be your high. This is your low. These are all your channels. See them?
Outstanding. Okay.
Yep. And now inside of these, right? So I'm looking at where they touch. You can see them all in here. Like here's another one that I didn't draw out. But I look at how many times does it touch that area, because then it gives it more weight. Just like you see how there's so much traffic in here.
Yeah.
This one was a big one. So the reason this is pulling so hard is because this line right here was a major supposed to be support line. See how it's fighting in here? And the reason we know that is because so many times and so much traffic was in this range. Okay. That means if it can't hold here, it's going to pull pretty hard, right?
Perfect.
But we know that going in, but we also know, okay, so since it's in here and since it pulled, well, now we're in each channel. So we have to, if we're scalping these, now we are inside of each of these channels and we know where it's going to go and how much wiggle room we have. So if it breaks here, it's going to come in here. If it breaks here, it's going to be in here. Breaks here, it's going to be in here. And if it breaks this final line, huge pull, right? Because there's nothing supporting this anymore, right? So we know
Gotcha.
it breaks this one, like that's why I say if it breaks this one, big pull. Otherwise, so if we look at this now we're in the next channel. You see how we're in here now?
Yeah.
Now we're scalping inside of this channel. And then we break this channel down and go, okay, it's right here because of this wick. See this wick? So, and there's not a lot of them. And here, this would be close. It's real close. See how these are real close, right? It doesn't always have to be exact, but you want to be pretty close to the ones that it's near to give you a pretty good idea of what they are, right? So that is a complete breakdown of Apple support and resistance lines